So get ready for this. Role of government in health. We're going to start today. Division means, and in between, I can ask anything from you. Got it?
That people expectation.
So this is role of government in health.
Here we will read that people expectation from government in democracy. What is health? It means the meaning of health, healthcare in India, public and private
Rishita,
healthcare.
is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So people expectations from government in democracy. All of us are living in a democratic country, and all of us certain kind of expectations from the government. Like what kind of, yes, bache? Like right now we are saying what kind of expectations? Definitely. Abhi expectation kya hogi कि no one should die due to corona. Everyone should be treated properly. Everyone should have access of all the medicines, ventilators, hospitals. This is our general expectation from the government because we are living in a democracy and we say we are paying taxes to the government. So it is a responsibility of the government to provide us a disease-free life, right? So this is people expectation from government in democracy.
Services, healthcare and equality, responsibilities of government in healthcare, and two
So this all we are going to study what is health, healthcare in India, public and private healthcare services, healthcare and equality, responsibility of government in healthcare and approaches. And the last is Kerala and this Costa Rica approach. Question can be asked: what is health? What do you mean by health? What are the status of healthcare in India? Explain in detail about private healthcare services, your public healthcare services, and then question can be asked: what is the responsibility of the government when the topic is about healthcare? Yeah, 3 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark question can be write a note on Kerala experience and write a note on Costa Rica approach. ये note भी आ सकते हैं.
approaches related to health. First one is the Kerala experience and the second is the Costa Rican approach. So all these topics comes in the role of the government in health. So children, in this part we will learn about the people expectation from government in democracy, meaning of health, healthcare in India, and public and private health care services. So let's move to the next. So children, here you can see some images in this slide. Can you guess these images belong to what?
Right to Education Act.
Yes.
This is
So
our
these
expectation from government that all the children, either they are poor, they are rich, everyone should get this right to
are the
education.
conditions that the people expect from government in a democracy. So in a democracy, people expect from the government to work for their welfare. This
This is very simple thing which we ask from the government to work for the welfare. Because in a democratic country, we choose a government. So when we choose a government and we are paying taxes to the government, हम money दे रहे हैं government को. Why? Because having this belief that government will take care of us. Government हमारा welfare का सोचेगी. This is always in our mind. And this is done. अब ये government हमारा welfare कैसे कर सकती है? This is done through providing education to us, health to us, employment to us, jobs. Employment here means jobs to us, houses to us, roads construction, electricity, water supply, and all that.
is done through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, development of roads, electricity, etc. So, children, as you can see, this image is given in our lesson and it associated with the health conditions. So you can see in this image that many conditions surrounds we can see. So children, do you know the meaning of health?
How many of you know the meaning of health? Raise your hand. You have done this. The vision is going on. Suhana, Bhavya, Bani, Rishita, Harshia. Let's ask from Harshia. What is Harshia? What is Health.
Ma'am, yes, health is that it is our ability that we remain free of injuries and free of diseases and illness.
Is this health? Only illness and injuries and diseases? Coming to Rishita.
Ma'am, the condition of person's body or mind.
Okay. Bani.
It is our ability to fight diseases, and it shows that we are fit from physically and mentally.
Sohana.
Ability of a person or a living being to stay healthy from diseases, to stay free from diseases or any other mental disease is known as health.
Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Health is the ability to remain free from illness, but health is not only about the disease, it is also about the physical and mental health.
Yeah, health does not mean physical health. Health का मतलब ये नहीं है कि when we are physically fit, we are not suffering from diseases. Yes, definitely that is also health. Health means when physically we are free from any kind of disease, we are perfectly fit and fine physically, no fever, no disease we are suffering from, and mentally we are balanced, we are stable, we are not under any kind of stress, we are not anxious, we are not, no anxiety kind of things are developing right now. Then we call it as health. Physically and mentally, both conditions are normal for us.
So let's
Health is a
understand.
state of physical, mental, and social
We can
well-being
have
in
health
which
in many ways.
disease are absent.
Yeah, Bhavesh, repeat karna bache. In between it started the speaking. Yeah, repeat karna bache.
Health is a state of physical, mental, and being in which disease are absent.
Okay. Physical and mental, and when where diseases are totally absent. We don't welcome the disease. हम जब disease आती है तो हम अपने body का mental का physically का दरवाजा ही नहीं खोलते हैं. We keep ourselves free from this disease and we remain healthy. Good. Now let's carry on.
Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health isn't only about disease. You may have associated with only some of the situations in the collage that is given inside with the health. What we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situations is related to health. Apart from these diseases, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. For example,
If we are not having clean drinking water, this is very common problem they have mentioned here. People in India, they don't have clean drinking water. So क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to consume dirty water, and dirty water जब हम consume करेंगे तो automatically it would affect us. It would make us unhealthy. Pollution free environment. Everywhere, particularly if we are talking about India, environment is not pollution free. The environment is full of dust, pollutants. Adequate food in our country, people are not like this. We can't say that every Indian is getting proper, adequate, proper food. Is food bhi mil raha, and food is nutritious also. That is not there in our country. Surroundings are not clean; they are dirty rather.
clean drinking water. So, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. On the other hand, if people do not get adequate food to eat or have to live in cramped conditions, not in the clean surroundings, they will be prone to illness. Let us compare the situations expressed in the first and the second column.
उसकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Aspects of healthcare.
Was is not audible.
मैम आ रही है.
मैम कट कट के आ रही है.
Okay, कुछ technical issues.
No, मैम audible है.
कुछ technical
Students,
issues हो
you can
सकते हैं certain. Which technical issues can be there in certain families or certain students. So please concentrate. So here we have healthcare facilities in India. That is 15,000 new doctors qualify every year. Positive. And right now we have 18,218. Large number of medical tourists we have. And we are the largest producer, fourth largest producers of medicine. But in the rural area, in the villages, we have less number of doctors. So many people, they die due to number of diseases, like TB is there, like malaria is there. And if you remember last year, there was chikungunya is also there. Right now we can say corona is there. People are suffering from communicable diseases. The diseases which spread from one community to community. And in India, children are undernourished. Undernourished means they are not getting proper diet. Kanav, you want to ask something, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what
beta.
are communicable diseases?
Communicable disease मीन those diseases जो एक दूसरे के टच से के आने से फैलती हैं, जो सोसाइटी में फैल जाती हैं. That is communicable disease. Diarrhea, worms, hepatitis, right?
The heading is not given, so you can suggest any heading for these two columns. In first column, you can see that India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producers of doctors, and approximately 15,000 new doctors qualify every year. Then we have the healthcare facilities have grown substantially over the years. In 1950, there were only 2,717 hospitals in India, whereas in
So right now तो 2021 is going on, तो automatically 18,000 से भी ज़्यादा 20,000 तक आराम से डाटा पहुंच गया होगा.
2000, the number grew to 18,218. India gets a large number of medical tourists from many countries. They come for treatment in some of the hospitals in India that compare with the
This
best.
is very important. This is very proud thing for us, that number of tourists for medicines, for treatment, they visit our country. So India is emerging as the largest medical tourist place also. And अगर पूरे इंडिया की बात करें, अगर आयुर्वेदा की बात करें, Kerala is a prominent state which is emerging as tourist place, medical tourist
in the
place.
world. And last, India is the fourth largest producers of medicines in the world and is also a large exporter of medicines. Whereas we can see in the next second column that most of doctors wanted to settle in urban areas. People in rural areas have to travel long distances to reach a doctor. The number of doctors with respect to the population is much less in rural areas. Then we have about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year. Then this number is almost unchanged since independence. Almost 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year, and
So
this
this is
number isn't
very common in
decreasing.
our country. This is very common in our country. जो लोग हैं जो ऐसे diseases की वजह से, जो the disease which can be ignored, I mean handled, not ignored, sorry, which can be handled, which can be treated. तो वो जिसकी वजह से treatment हो, I mean जैसे people are dying due to lack of clean drinking water. अब ये ऐसा नहीं है कि government can't provide clean drinking water, they can provide. तो ऐसी चीजें जो क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर है, सेफ एनवायरनमेंट है, हाइजेनिक कंडीशंस है, दिस इज अ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड सच फैसिलिटीज टू अस. एंड अगर नहीं प्रोवाइड कर रही तो इसी वजह से हमारी कंट्री का जो हेल्थ रेट है वो डाउन जाता है. सो ऐसी कुछ चीजें जिसमें गवर्नमेंट कैन प्ले रोल, गवर्नमेंट शुड प्ले रोल, गवर्नमेंट कैन डू समथिंग व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज.
We are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. 21% of all communicable diseases are waterborne.
Waterborne
Do you know,
means
children, what
they are because of water, when we don't have a clean drinking water.
are communicable diseases? So communicable diseases are those.
So this is the question which is asked by someone. So answer is coming, though we have already explained, but again. Yes.
That are spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, food, air, etc. For example, diarrhea, worms, hepatitis,
Diarrhea,
etc.
diarrhea तो होता ही basically when we don't have
Then
clean drinking water. गंदा पानी पी रहे हैं, गंदी चीज जगह से खा रहे हैं, तो automatically we can suffer from this problem that is called it as diarrhea, communicable disease.
we know that India is the fourth largest producers of medicine in the world, whereas we have half of all children in India do not get adequate food to eat and are undernourished. So, in order,
Undernourished is very common in our country. People, बच्चे जो है particularly generally लोग, they don't get proper food. एक तो proper food नहीं खा रहे and उसकी वजह से they are undernourished, and जो भी खाना खा रहे हैं that is full of adulteration, मिलावट है उसमें.
in order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities.
So if we don't have proper healthcare facilities, if we are having not clean drinking water and all that, so definitely we'll suffer from number of diseases. So let's talk about the healthcare facilities. Is it up to mark or not? And after that, I'll come to you only. We'll discuss all that.
Such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, etc.
Health centers, hospitals, laboratories, ambulance services, blood banks, health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, ये सारे के सारे come under healthcare facilities. Do you think in our country all these things are available? Answer is no. Not everywhere. Rural areas, we don't have such facilities. Tribal areas, we don't have such facilities. Backward areas, we don't have such facilities. People, those who are the poor people, they don't get such facilities. That's why healthcare facilities हमारी country में are not at all up to mark.
That can be provided the required care and services that patients need. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals who can advise, diagnose, and treat illness. We also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. These facilities are required to take care of us. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. The country also has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. Do you know, children, what is public healthcare system? So this is a system of hospitals and health.
Public healthcare system, that system which is provided by the government to us. Public, for the welfare of the public. Government हमारे लिए hospitals वगैरह खोलते हैं. Public.
Centers that run by the government. We will read this afterwards. It has the ability to look after the health of large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of villages. We will go into more detail on this later. So, moreover, there has been a phenomenal advancement in medical sciences whereby many new technologies and treatment procedures are available in the country. However, we have seen in the second column, healthcare in India, that points out how poor the health situation in our country is. With all the above positive developments, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to all. And this is the paradox. Sometimes that is contrary to what we would expect. Our country has the money, knowledge, and people with experience but cannot make the necessary healthcare available.
So this is actually a strange condition for our country, that we have everything, but even then not being utilized properly. So I'm coming to you. We are going to discuss about certain things here. From the recent scenario, I guess all of you are aware whatever is going around us. From the recent scenario, if we are talking about the healthcare facilities of India, yeah, of Jalandhar, any one of you, kindly, do you think it is appropriate? If yes, how? If no, how? All of you are most welcome to participate in this, but by raising your hand. If all of you will speak side by side, I won't be able to listen to any one of you. Coming to Kanav first of all. Yes, Kanav, bache. Kanav. Kanav, you raise your hand, my dear. Do you think we have enough healthcare facilities in our country? बहुत ज्यादा है, जितनी चाहिए उतनी है. Kanav, yes, speak up. I'm taking your name, my dear.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. अच्छा, how come no?
मैम मैम रूरल एरियाज में प्रॉपर डॉक्टर्स नहीं है, हॉस्पिटल्स नहीं है मैम. वहाँ पर मैम एम्बुलेंस सर्विस भी नहीं है मैम. देयर इज नो लेबोरेटरी फॉर टेस्टिंग
Okay.
मैम. नाउअडेज लाइक कोविड की वैक्सीनेशन अलग चलती है तो मैम वो भी उनको मैम प्रोवाइड नहीं हो पाएगी मैम, क्योंकि वहाँ पर प्रॉपर सर्विसेज ही नहीं है.
Okay. Coming to Sohana. Yes, Sohana, बच्चे. Give your views.
Because at the places where vaccination is going on, there is a lot of crowd which automatically causes corona to people.
Yeah, crowded area, perfectly. What does it mean then? अब यहाँ पे तो हम healthcare facilities we are talking about. It means vaccination is going on. Then even then corona is spreading. Now, where we are lacking, Sohana, in this case, the case which we have given.
Various people are afraid of getting this vaccine because various fake news are getting uploaded on social media that after taking this vaccine we are facing with fever and other problems.
Okay. फिर इसका solution क्या है? If fake media is there?
Ma'am, there should be the government should stop the usage of social media nowadays, and
Okay.
they should.
If government would stop this social media, do you think we would be able to interact with each other through classes?
No, ma'am, I'm not talking about internet. The only social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, these type of apps should not be
These
not be used.
Okay, okay. So, be right now everyone is in condition where I mean we can't move here and there, we can't go to our friends, our relatives, we can't interact with each other. We are sitting at our own places. तो अगर social media ही बंद हो गया तो क्या हो जाएगा, सोहाना?
And though there will be no interaction of people, but it will be helpful for us only.
But people will fall in depression then if they won't interact with each other, because right now we
Ma'am,
won't. Huh?
Ma'am, Zoom meetings are also there.
So means we should organize a Zoom meeting with the relatives. So all the relatives come and we'll do the discussion. This we are suggesting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to Bani. Yes, Bani.
Yes, ma'am. No, because there are not beds available in the hospitals and many people are dying without oxygen. So government should provide proper facilities to everyone and arrange as many beds and oxygen cylinders for everyone.
But why it is not getting done? Government को नहीं पता चलता. Anyone of you? We know very well कि people are dying. We know very well. People are suffering. We know very well. Government को नहीं पता चल रहा. This is my question.
मैम पता चल रहा है मैम. यस मैम
पता चल रहा है. Then why they are not taking steps?
Because nowadays there are so much COVID cases. Ma'am, that's why there are lack of beds and oxygen.
हाँ. But ये तो कोई solution नहीं है. If government want, they can do.
Because they
miracles.
have not enough money. Because
They don't have
not enough money.
They don't have enough money, and it means why they don't have enough money? How do they get money?
Because COVID has come
Hanji, from taxes.
through the tax.
Through the taxes. Very right. It means we are not paying taxes to the government. Common human beings are not paying taxes to the government.
Yes, ma'am, because of coronavirus.
No, we are paying taxes to the government. We are supposed to pay tax to the government. बेटा हम सभी को टैक्स देना पड़ता है. आप सभी को, आपको नहीं, हम लोगों को टैक्स देना पड़ता है. It means somewhere there's a misuses of that money. It means there are some officers, they are corrupt. They are not utilizing the money in a proper way. It means corrupt. जो हमारी country में we can say people help each other as relatives वगैरह की. They are least bothered about others. Not all, but some of them. Corruption is the main criteria which we can say has led to all that. तो होता है हमारी country में we have enough money. Yeah, हमारी country में population बहुत ज़्यादा है. but doesn't mean कि हम population ज़्यादा तो we should kill them. We should use this population as an asset, as a valuable commodity, as a valuable person. हमें इसको उसकी कीमत को बढ़ाना है. So country में facilities are there, but not reaching to everyone, because in our country there is no equality of resources, or we can say resources are not equally distributed. Resources are concentrated in certain hands only. So health facilities तो है हमारी country में, चीजें तो हैं, hospitals हैं, ये है वो है, सब कुछ everything we are having, but how to use it properly, that is not there. उसको यूज कैसे करना है, कहाँ कहाँ तक लोगों को पहुंचना चाहिए, किस लोगों को मिलना चाहिए, किन ये accuracy planning is not properly. Simple we can say planning is not up to mark. So is it clear to all of you? With this I have
Yes,
to end. Yeah, any doubt beta ji?
no, ma'am.